name's Eric Petty. I'm the Director of Franchise Technology at the Dwyer Group. We're a franchisor that represents approximately 2,700 franchisees across the world, representing 18 franchise brands. The Dwyer Group operates on a few guiding principles, always partnering with world-class companies, and we know that QuickBooks through Intuit check those boxes off. We took advantage as a franchisor to make sure that as we migrated all our franchisees to QuickBooks, taking that opportunity to make sure that everyone was utilizing a standardized chart of accounts, which is huge in a franchise organization. We want to be able to benchmark across the system. QuickBooks really helped us to do that. From a support perspective, standardization is key. If we've got franchisees using differing systems, it's very difficult for our support teams and our franchise consultants to provide coaching and support to our franchise locations. The Intuit franchise teams have been very helpful. They work directly with our team members for training and support. Additionally, they actually attend many of our regional meetings as well as our annual conference. The team's been very helpful providing information to our franchisees. They've got a dedicated web page on our ProTradeNet site, which is our vendor relations department. Additionally, they often work to provide us marketing collateral that will explain things like how QuickBooks can streamline their bookkeeping and accounting practices, or why QuickBooks Online is more efficient than QuickBooks Desktop. They've worked with us to make sure that we establish the best pricing possible for our franchisees. We can rest assured that if our franchisees go and try to acquire QuickBooks on their own, that our pricing is going to be better and provide them that extra benefit of being a franchise under our organization. QuickBooks is one of the most intuitive applications, I think, out there. There's just one or two places to go to find everything. So when you click the button and it brings down a menu, you're going to be able to find what you need to get to even if you've never done it before.